Now let's start with the soft delete. So whenever we delete a record, in here it will delete that record permanently. But sometimes we don't want to lose the data completely. Instead, we want to mark it as deleted and keep it for future recovery. This is where soft delete come in. So to mark a record as a deleted in Laravel and not deleted permanently, you have to add a deleted add column in your table. So for that, let's create a new migration. Let's type php artisan make migration add soft delete to brands table. Okay, the migration has been created. Now inside here we will just type table soft delete. That's it. Now if I run php artisan migrate, it will add a new column inside my brands table with the name of deleted add. Right now it is completely null. Now whenever we want to delete, it will mark add a date and time of deletion. So let's go to brand model. Also we have to add one more thing on the model. Okay, yeah. So in the model also you have to use a soft delete thread. So type here soft deletes. Now it will automatically add the thread inside your model. We are ready. Everything is set. Let's go to the brand controller and delete. Let's delete one. Okay, let's delete this one with the ID of 4. So let's type here the ID 4 and let's go to the delete brand URL. Deleted successfully. Now if we opened our table and refresh this, in here as you guys can see, date time has been added to in the deleted add column. It will specify tell Laravel that this record has been deleted at this time without deleting the actual record. Now if we fetch all the records, so let's brand controller add get data. Okay, now if we fetch all the records from the brand, it will show us all the records except that record which has been deleted. So let's get. Now in here as you guys can see, I have the ID 1 2 3, then directly the ID of 5. It's not showing that this record with the ID of 4 because it is marked as deleted. If you want to fetch all the records which are deleted, we can do that also. So instead of all, here we can type items is equal to brand colon only trashed, then get. This will fetch all the deleted records. So now if I go here and refresh, it will just give me a single record with the ID of 4. Now we know that this record has been deleted. But if you want to fetch all the records including the deleted records, instead of this you can type, let's the items brand colon with trashed. This will fetch all the records including the deleted records as well. Now if I go and refresh, here I got the ID 1 2 3 4 also and 5. Now I got all the records in my database including the deleted record. If you want to restore a record, we can do that also. So let's create our variable brand, then with trashed, then after that you find by id, so we can fetch that record, then items restore. This will restore that record back. So let's go and refresh. Now we got our record, and in here as you guys can see, the deleted at has become null. So now if I do this, return all the records, in here this deleted record will also show because it has been restored. If you want to permanently delete a record instead of soft delete, you want to fully delete that record, you can do that also. For example, let's call our brand again, brand find by IDs 4 and items, then in here you have to just type force delete. That's it. Now this will permanently delete that record. Let's go to the browser and refresh. Okay, the item has been deleted successfully. Now if I refresh, there is no record with the ID of 4. If I delete another record, so let's delete the record with the ID of 5, this one, go back, refresh. Now we got that record, and in the database it has been deleted. So right now we don't have any record with the ID of 4 and 5.